who have come in since then. My cousin Lekha Menon, she's from Kentucky. Okay, she middle night for her too. Ravi Ramesh Babu, Ravi Shankar Muvala. Actually, he used to work for one of the largest job portal company in India called Naukri, and so he's watching. Rajshekar Patil is another professional that I've been associated with the last 10 years. There's one question from a gentleman called Paras Arora. Maybe you could address that now. With experience across different streams under a job, is it suggested to keep a generic LinkedIn profile along with a tailor-made resume for the role? Can I repeat the question? Yeah.
Yes,
with experience across different streams under a job, is it suggested to keep a generic LinkedIn profile along with a tailor-made resume for the role?
Ooh, this is a good question, AK. Oh, I love this question.
Because what he's asking is, he says he could have been a software developer or a project manager or a solution architect, but most recently, he is now applying for a developer role. So what is the strategy you would suggest to him?
Absolutely. My strategy for him that I'd suggest, first, I'd love to commend him on all the different roles that he's accomplished across his career. What a wonderful thing to be able to have so many hands in so many different places in the organization and in that business structure. He really is a wonderful asset in terms of all the different ways that he has touched the project lifecycle. He's worked on, as a developer, he's worked on the actual product. He's managed the projects. He's been on the business development side, it sounds like. I'm sure he's done a little bit of client-facing work. And so is it okay to have a general profile with a tailor-made resume? My answer to him is, if he chooses to do a more general profile, as long as he continues the narrative of giving value to the organization in everything that he does. And so how he gave value as a project manager, how he assisted the organization in terms of either bringing in new clients or in terms of building revenue streams in the organization. If he continues that narrative on his profile where it's consistently being value added, I don't feel concerned if he were to have tailor-made resumes for various job postings, so long as he can speak to the value that he brought as an employee in those various job roles. Because then what he's going to do to help himself is, when the hiring manager views the profile and sees all the ways that he brought value in those organizations, in those job roles, it's going to lower any type of bar of I guess the word I'm looking for is any bar of concern or any question of, all these different job roles. What is the interest of this gentleman? What's the interest of this individual? And so by always being value added, you never change the narrative of who you are as a professional. Awesome. And so they'll always see you. They'll always see you as being that asset, that team member that has seen it all and done it all and has been across the business development world, across all aspects of business. That will be, if anything, that will be his strength. He can utilize his LinkedIn as his strength if he were to go in that direction.
Awesome, Gabby. I think I'm really glad that you addressed, and I'm sure Paras would have benefited a lot from this advice that you gave. And personally, what I get a feeling is, a resume is more a transaction kind of a thing, whereas a LinkedIn profile probably projects your relationships. Okay. And there's a great opportunity to go. And today it's all about building a relationship and showing how valuable you are to the stakeholders that matter. And this is a very good advice that you have. I have a few more people. I'll just have to say hi to them, because there's Ragulan. He's a friend of mine from Sri Lanka. Okay. And he's a very successful businessman running BNI group there. And then we have Vishwanath Acharya Kokanda, who is a very veteran professional who makes an impact to a lot of college students. He's also there. I'm sure he'll be taking away something from this for his awards there. I have Akbar Ali Engineer. Now, this gentleman is a cat as far as sourcing is concerned. I know that he lives on LinkedIn hunting people. Okay. And so I'm
I
delighted
love
to
it.
have Akbar Ali Engineer. He works for a company called ThoughtWorks, which is one of the most progressive companies in the world. They do a lot of impactful work across industries. So I'm glad Akbar Ali is watching. And there's Ashwin Kumar. He's also about 25 years of experience, and he's in America right now. Wow, you've got a truly global audience that you've got in Gabriel.
I
Thank you.
love it.
So I think
I
we have
love it.